In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Miro wireframes. To begin, open Miro and go to a new board. You can do this from your Miro dashboard by creating a fresh board or by opening a new board link if one is provided to you. Starting with a clean board is helpful because it gives you a clear space to lay out your wireframe ideas without distractions. Once the board loads, take a moment to orient yourself. You will see a large canvas in the center and a set of tools you can use to add and format content. Next, click on the Highlight tool. In Miro, highlight is used to add emphasis to text or to call attention to key parts of a wireframe, like section titles, important notes, or areas that need review. When you select highlight, you are essentially choosing a formatting style that makes whatever you type stand out more clearly on the canvas. This is especially useful during collaboration because highlighted text is easier for others to spot quickly when they scan the board. After you have selected highlight, type in highlight. Click into the canvas area where you want the highlighted text to appear. Then start typing your label or note. Keep your wording short and specific so it reads well in a wireframe context, such as a page heading, a component name, or a brief instruction for what should go in a section. As you type, you should see the highlighted style applied, making the text visually distinct from other content. A practical tip here is to place highlighted text near the element it refers to, so the meaning is instantly clear. If you are working with others, try to use consistent phrasing and placement for these highlights across the board, since consistency makes wireframes easier to review and discuss. Once you have added your highlighted text, you can continue building out your wireframe with the same approach, using highlights whenever you need to emphasize key points or guide attention during feedback. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.